I'm putting you guys on my head. Welcome back, butt lickers. Today, I'm gonna be installing these overlays from Sticker Fab on the tail lights here. Alright, so what you're gonna need is, get some. She's laughing at me because I'm doing a video, but it's cool though. We all gotta start somewhere. So I'm getting some alcohol. You get your alcohol. Don't mind that. Get some alcohol. Put some joints on there. Wipe it off. Look at the gremlin. You wipe it down really good. Get all the detoxifications off the tail lights, my boys. All right, you get it? Get it off completely. All right, clean it all off. And then I get some more alcohol right here. Get the other tail lights. Whoop 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 de whoop. Then you're good. Do that for a couple seconds. She about to trip and fall and bust her ass. And you do it some more. Whoop de whoop. Alright. And so, once that shit's done, what the fuck did I do with my overlays? I came back with you. Bro, what the fuck did I do? I don't even know what I did with them. What the fuck? Oh. Alright, cool. So, after you do that, I think Sticker Fab told me to get it. You can use a blow dryer or whatever. I'm using this shit. And you make it a little warm. Make it a little warm. Shit, how about this shit? Hello? Hello? Oh. There we go. How do I work this? How do I get the heat coming out? It's not hot. Oh wait. Heat it up a little bit. And they said make sure that it's hot and it's warm enough to stretch out the film. So we'll do that for a couple seconds. There we go. That's cool. Do that for this side. Warm it up some more. Alright, so that's warm enough. Turn this shit off. And let me wash my hands and I'll be back with you guys. Yeah, definitely wash your hands when you're done with this shit. That's what they told me. Sticker Fab told me. So, I'm gonna grab the film. I'm gonna do this side first. So pretty much soapy water. They told me soapy water in the videos that they did. And you just spray the film. Just cause of, to make sure you're doing it right. So that way if I fuck up or you fuck up, you can fix your fucking mistakes. So, oh shit, hold on, I don't like that in there. Hold on, Chief. Yeah, make sure we're good. Alright. And boom. Make sure we got that shit on there right. I need to make sure I got that on there right. Hold on. Oh, this is perfect fitment though, Chief. This is really good. Oh, I can't move it. Oh, I can't move it. Is this it? Looks good. No, it does not look good. See, peel it back up because I'm not fucking with it. I'll probably cut some of this out maybe, but I just need to make sure I'm getting all of this. Okay, wait, I need to make sure it's right though. This is good. It looks fine. I mean, it's doing its job, so I'm cool with this fitment here. I'm cool with that. So yeah, Already that makes a big difference. So let me get my fucking I don't have a squeezy on me, so I'm gonna just go ahead and get me a little Cardi card out and squeeze the fuck out of the water and soap. You know, see how stuffed up she is? Look at her, look at her, look at her stance. It's ridiculous. So you just pretty much just get all the soap. Get all the soap out. Soap out of here. Well, that kind of fit perfectly. I'm kind of surprised with this shit. You know, just a little simple cosmetic mod. Definitely not. I'm not against it. Looks pretty cool. I got the carbon fiber film looking one because I like you know, I wanted to see how this would work. Looks cool. I mean, I'll give you guys an update over time once I keep doing it. Yeah, and that's pretty much the process I did. I mean, just squeeze it out till it dries and everything. All the soap and water. And yeah, now I'm probably gonna use the blow dryer or whatever to warm it up and let it stick some more. But that's pretty much the process. I'll turn it back on the camera once you see when both sides are on, and I'll display the lights and everything. So this is what it looks like with the carbon fiber style with the lights on. It definitely changes the whole look of the tail lights. Definitely makes it a lot more aggressive. I like it. I mean, I like the carbon style on it. I like carbon in general, but yeah, man, I mean, pretty solid. Pretty solid. Definitely recommend. Definitely would recommend doing it. Get it. Go to stickerfab.com. I'll probably link them down in the description below. And yeah, definitely get them out if you have a 2022 BRZ. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys next time.